Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Bank of Jamaica says the country's financial system remains resilient to shocks. The BOJ and the Financial Services Commission have already started to conduct joint prudential and market conduct examinations under the Twin Peaks Initiative. The Financial Policy Committee of the Bank of Jamaica says plans are also in place for continuous training and capacity building for BOJ and FSC employees to ensure a smooth transition towards Twin Peaks supervision. The Honorable Louise Bennett called it colonization in reverse. Kevin Richards, CEO of Kingston Properties, says it's just business. Kingston Properties Limited has advised on March 31, 2025, the company closed on the acquisition of its second property in the United Kingdom, Building 4, Dorking Business Park. Kingston Properties has further advised that this acquisition was funded by both debt and cash resources and now brings the geographic dispersion of Kingston Properties portfolio to having 42% of real estate holdings in the Cayman Islands, 41% of holdings in Jamaica, 12% of its real estate in the United Kingdom, and 5% of its real estate holdings in the United States. As we recognize Autism Awareness Month, Simone Maddox, attorney at law and founder of the Law Spa, shares 3 tips for special needs caregivers who wish to lay a strong foundation for their loved ones. We learn more. April is Autism Awareness Month. And for many families with the responsibility of caregiving a child with autism or any other child with special needs, there's some critical planning aspects that need to be considered. And so we're very pleased to have Simone Maddox, attorney at law with Maddox & Co. with us to really look at the 3 areas that she's observing that's changing in Jamaica and she would love you to be aware of. Welcome, Lady Simone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.
Yes, so we're in Autism Awareness Month.
Yes, we are.
As an attorney, what are you seeing? How does this play out for you?
I am seeing a greater openness to cater to the needs of persons with exceptionalities, with special needs, with gifts that we are yet to understand.
Yes.
And for us, it translates to registering with, say, the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities.
So you're saying persons need to do that now?
Yes.
Yes.
That is something, those doors are open, and that is something that I encourage all families who have children or loved ones with special needs to do.
Okay.
That allows you to benefit in a real way from the legislation, from the law, and to access certain specific benefits that are connected to your particular challenge or situation.
What else?
Yes. Well, it is so important to have those futuristic conversations.
Yes.
And one set of professionals you can have this conversation with is an attorney. Just consult an attorney, seeking to find out how you can plan for the future of your special needs loved one. Whether it is about estate planning or education planning, caregiving planning, this is an opportunity for you just to find out how you can start getting organized.
Yes.
Don't be perturbed by the cost and things of that nature. Start a conversation.
Yes.
It's a mindset
Yes.
that says, let me provide let me explore the solutions to my lifestyle situation.
For the trading period ending April 1, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 15,827,727 units traded, representing 54.66% of market sales volume. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited with 2,369,470 units traded, representing 8.18% of market sales volume. Real estate developer and beverage manufacturer Jamaican Teas Limited with 1,849,686 units traded, representing 6.39% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 1, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $54.11 million purchased and US $65.26 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.86 per dollar, selling the US at $158.57 and buying the US at $156.71. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.03 per transaction, with selling at $110.75 and buying at $109.72. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.89 in profits, with selling at $203.53 and buying at $200.64. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit isn't just about numbers, it's about strategy and relationships. The right financial team at your bank can make a significant difference in your journey to financial stability. Start fostering these connections today, and step by step you'll rebuild not just your credit, but your financial confidence and opportunities. An idea: meet with your mortgage advisor even if homeownership isn't immediate. A mortgage advisor can help you understand what steps you need to take to qualify for a loan in the future. Also, request a financial health checkup. Many banks offer financial health assessments to help customers track progress and set financial goals. Professional women over the age of 45 can move from financial recovery to financial resilience. Financial resilience isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about strategic asset movement to restart your income streams. Your financial situation may feel frozen right now, but there is always a way to reposition and rebuild. Here are suggestions to unfreeze your finances and rebuild financial resilience. Turn investments into cash flow. Dividend-paying stocks are one way. You can shift your investments towards stocks that pay consistent dividends. Or think about a bond ladder. Use a mix of short-term and long-term bonds for steady cash flow. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.